All right, new one's on. No free spin on this bitch.
So pretty much what's holding that whole wheel on there is this bolt, right?
Yeah, no cutter pin. Can you believe that shit? Like on the other vehicles, they have a castle nut with a cutter pin on it. You know? And so you gotta get that little... Yeah, so what the fuck? You know, it's just... I don't know, it's weird. But it's on. Everything seems good. It's nice and quiet. The way it should be. Here's this. Here's the old one. Set that down real quick. It's old shit. But he's checking for good measure. Making shit's good. Oh, I did? Yeah. Nice. Yep. They got a pocket for the brake pads, the shoes. I wasn't able to do that before on a different vehicle.